This is few examples. I still remember one of my doctor has given a medical certificate to a girl who was studying in a college to save his ear because her absenteeism was there in a college. The parent knows UGC guidelines. They said if they submit a medical certificate, they will get a remittation and she will be allowed to give exam. On a good faith, my doctor has given a certificate mentioning on a certificate PO, that pyrexia of unknown origin, and given a certificate for almost 3 months. The institute has refused in spite of getting medical certificate and not allowed this girl to appear in exam. Father, knowing the law, approached High Court, filed a writ petition against the institute saying that it is under UGC guideline that medical illness time need to be remitted. Now the ego issue came with the institute. An institute definitely wanted to safeguard themselves and make their reason right. They appointed an advocate. Advocate went to some doctor to get tips for defending the case. Our own doctor has guided him to ask few questions to this guy to come to the truth of the case, knowing that this is a false certificate. Finally, this doctor was called as a witness for examining about the medical certificate. When doctor reached the court and made him to stand in witness box, knowing that he has issued a false certificate, can imagine, trembled. And the moment the question was raised to him, on what basis you are given a medical certificate? And if 10 days patient is not well, what you do? Do you do investigation or you continue the medicine and play with the life of the patient for 3 months? Or even after 15, 20 days, the patient is not well, what you do? Do you refer to the hospital or consultant or you continue playing with the life of the patient? Multiple question was put on him. He got feared because he was knowing that he has given good faith. Tears came in his eye because he was fearing about criminal case against him. And finally spoken the truth that for the good faith, for the saving the life or ear of this lady I have given, accepted his false certificate. Judge was in good mood, relieved him. But my friend, let me tell you what law says. Section 191, 197 of IPC, go and read. It says giving a false certificate is actionable crime and punishment is 7 years. My friend, just imagine 7 years punishment if we give a false certificate. We give rampantly certificate. We don't know what we write on a paper. Knowing that patient are going to go to native place and going to take a certificate from you for making his leave true. Employers knows that he is a native and you give a certificate showing that he is with you, taking a treatment from you, contraindicatory.